marriage, find jobs, and perform through the course of employment from day one until the last day of that job or the work that we do to support ourselves, families, and friends. Today, Mr. Porn has accomplished his goal through the last many years. Since 1985, he was employed at Western State Electronic until December 21st, 2022. A big accomplishment for a gentleman who dedicated to this company. That's why we are gathering here today to celebrate his success. He is one of the role models for the young people to follow. With that said, please join me in giving him a big round of applause for his accomplishment. Thank you. Now, if you have been here, you probably know where the lavatory is, but it's on that side towards the right corners. If you have not been here before, the lavatory, the restrooms on the right side over here. We have food and self-service on buffet styles, and also beverages over there, plus desserts. So help yourself, make yourself at home. Now, an event like this, of course, one person